Before you buy one thing for fall, do this. Welcome to Runway to Reality, making getting dressed fun again. Every week, I give you 5 fresh outfit ideas to help you play with your personal style, shop your closet, and feel fabulously confident. So let's get dressed. Okay, I know it's not technically the end of summer, but the end of August kind of feels that way. So I tried something new this week. I want you to go to your closet and find 5 things you haven't worn yet this summer. I gave myself a simple mission: find 5 summer pieces in the closet that I still haven't worn yet this year and wear them before I even think about fall. And that's what our challenge is this week. I'm going to wear every single one of them, and I'm styling each one in a way that I have not worn before. And this may sound simple because it is. That is completely the point. Instead of standing in your closet feeling overwhelmed and frustrated and thinking, what am I going to wear? Give yourself one direction. What have I not worn yet this summer? A little intention can make monumental difference. Getting dressed does not have to be hard. Sometimes you just need a place to begin. So here are my 5 dresses. So I couldn't even tell you why I haven't worn these yet this year. So it's not even about do I like them or not, just maybe for some reason, there's a little bit of a change to them. So I pulled out the 5 and here they are. They're not steamed, which if you know me, you know I steam even my workout clothes. But I pulled out some cute little dresses. I just haven't worn this in a while. I look at it and I think I kind of have struggled with weight gain and how I feel in certain things, and that this might have been one of them, but I slipped it on and I was like, interesting. And I'm gonna style it in a way that I've never done it before. Here is another one that I just have not worn yet this year. It's so cute, perfect time to try it. And this is even a cute one that I can wear once it cools down. Some cute little cowgirl boots would be so fun with this. Okay, this was a dress that I cut off the sleeves. There were like these little flutter sleeves, and I can wear it as a dress, and I also can wear it as a skirt, which skirts are having such a moment. So I'm gonna utilize this one this week. This is another one that's more of a baby doll kind of thing that I've worn it as a skirt before, or a dress that I'm gonna play dress up with. And finally, if you don't know, now you know, I love sheer. I have actually always said, I don't even like wearing clothes. I like to wear next to nothing, so it's kind of funny that I've made my whole career in getting dressed. But we are going up to Lake Tahoe to watch music, and I thought, well, I can get away, even though this is a bathing suit cover up. I'll just put on some cute little booty shorts and a fun little bra, and then I can wear this and feel cute and fun and still look completely appropriate. Tune in every day this week, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I style each one, because I want this to be easy for you. And I want you to learn how to do this with your own entire wardrobe. Again, it's not hard, it's easy. I got you, girl. You just need to hang with me. And speaking of that, the VIP founding cohort of the Confident Style Method starts September 1. We're doing it together, and I want you with us. So comment VIP and I'll send you the details. And if you're local, come to Sip into Style. We still have a few tickets left. August 29th, Wine, Food, Fall Style. 2 brand new Fall Style box launches and a chance to experience all of this in person with me. Or you can join the cohort. There is still 1 more week that you can get that spot, and then it will not be open again until 2027. So let's stop the overwhelm. Let's stop the stress. Let's make getting dressed fun again. I can show you how. So on that note, let's get dressed.